In this video, you are going to see the complete details followed by the settings and features we get inside the Realme Link app. I recently posted an unboxing of these Realme Buds Air 7 Pro. In that video, I told you some of the features that we get with these. Today, you are going to see in depth how to customize them followed by the other settings we get inside the app. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download the application from the Play Store. This is how the app looks. Even for other Realme gadgets like smartwatches, this is the same app you need to download. Once it is downloaded, open it. First, it asks you for the location. Select that and click on Next. Now, you need to pair the device. To do that, you need to create an account. Once you log in, give all the necessary permissions that it asks for. After that, make sure you connect your buds via Bluetooth. Now, at the top, it shows like this. That means you are successfully connected. Click on it to get into the settings and customization interface. Unlike many other TWS earphones, we get almost the same features for touch controls in this one. Even if you swipe up or swipe down on the touch area, you can increase or decrease the volume. And do not forget that these double tap and triple tap actions are also customizable in this app. I'll show you in a moment how to do that. Now, this is what the interface looks like for customizing the buds. First is noise cancellation. I have set this to maximum and you can customize it according to what you want. You can even change the noise control directly from the application by tapping on the icons at the top. Next is wind noise reduction, and I think I don't need to explain that to you. I really like the user interface of this app and how they categorize each and every option into different segments. Next, under that, we get a sound effects panel. The first option is EQ mode. You can change how you want to listen to the sound from here. Below that, we get one custom option to control low, mid, and high frequencies. You can also create as many profiles as you want for different scenarios. Maybe one type of EQ for listening to music and another one for watching movies, like that. The next option is golden sound. This option customizes the sound according to your ear canal structure to give you studio quality sound when you are listening to something. It does sometimes testing for your ears and optimizes it according to your hearing capacity. Once the testing is done, you can clearly notice the differences between how it feels before and after. If multiple people are using these buds, you can turn this feature on and off for each person so that based on their hearing abilities, the sound is delivered properly. We also get the spatial audio feature with these, which you can turn on and off as well. If you are watching any content that supports spatial audio, then this feature is very useful. The next option is a volume enhancer. It basically increases the output level of your audio device. This is not about increasing or decreasing the playback volume. It boosts the overall loudness ceiling you are listening at. Once you play music, you can clearly hear the differences by turning this option on and off. The next option is high definition sound. Using this feature enables near lossless high resolution wireless audio streaming and ensure better sound quality with less compression than older codecs. The next option is dynamic audio, which lets you control low, medium, and high frequencies. Next is the AI features section. This option can translate what you are talking into another preferred language. Here, these buds are not doing any magic. They are just acting as a microphone to pick up what you are saying and deliver to the other person's voice. You need this application and an internet connection to use this feature. In simple words, it's a translation feature injected into the app. If you are aware of any translation applications, this works in the same way. You won't get all languages, especially regional ones, in this one. Now we are sailing in the AI era where translation is not a big problem. Next, below that, we get quick controls where you can customize the touch controls of each earbud. There are some pre-existing options and you must select only from that list. The next option is gaming mode. This helps reduce latency and synchronize the sound and visuals according to the game. So if you are playing games, enable this option and enjoy the rest. Below that is another option called Mind Flow, where there are some inbuilt music tracks of pleasing sounds that you can listen to. But frankly speaking, these types of tracks are already available on YouTube for free. Next, we are entering the personalization section. In that, the first option is button settings. Just now, I showed you this option where you can customize the left and right earbud touch actions. The next option is dual device connection. You need to turn this on to use the feature. There is a button in the charging case. You need to press and hold this button for 3 seconds to shift from one device to another. The next option is autoplay or pause when you remove any of the earbuds. Below that, auto answer for calls is available. I turned it off because I want to control whether I accept or decline a call. Next is the earbud fit test. If the ear tips are not perfectly fitted into your ears, this test helps you find out so you can change them accordingly. Below that, we get the find my phone option and the total estimated playback time for the left and right earbuds. So these are all the features and settings that we get inside the Realme Link application for these buds. Do not forget, depending on the model you are using, these can vary. That's the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Also, I have enabled the super thanks option for every video. If you want to appreciate my effort, the gates are open now. Thank you so much in advance, and you can check the description box for more related videos about these buds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.